Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to use the dark mode on the iPhone 14. The dark mode can help you to save a lot of energy because the special screen that we have built in the iPhone 14 uses no energy. There is no energy consumption when there are black parts. Alright, so if you, every time you have here black parts, deep black, then this doesn't consume energy. So the dark mode can help you, and on the other side it's good for your eyes because when it's dark outside or dark in your room and you have a very bright display, it's not very good for your eyes. So let's take a look how you can activate the dark mode and what kind of features we have. So I click on settings here, and then when we are in our settings we go a little bit down to display and brightness. I click to display and brightness, and here we can see the appearance. At this moment we have light. When I change it to dark, you can see that everything's kind of inverted. So we have here the black, and I told you that everything which is black doesn't consume energy. So it and here the text is white, and here again the text is black. Okay, so this is what you can do when you want to do it manually. But you can also have a second option here to go with automatic, and when you turn on automatic you have the option light to here light to black, light until sunset, sunset to sunrise, or you can do custom schedule. So what does this sunset to sunrise mean? This means that the light mode will be from sunset to sunrise, and from sunrise to sunset it will be the dark mode. And here's the custom schedule. You can also say, okay, I want to have the light mode from 7 till 21:59 and the dark mode from 22 to 6:59. So you can change it like you want to have it, and that's pretty cool, so you don't have to change it manually. Yes, this is how you use the dark mode on the iPhone 14. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye!